Welcome back to Best Academic TV. In this video, we're going to focus on scholarship questions, mostly SAT questions. We are given a question here that said, if 2s minus 7y is equal to 3, what is the value of 4 raised to the power of s divided by 2 raised to the power of 7y? The options are given to us here. A, they said 2, B, they said 4, C, they said 8, D, they said 10. Okay, let's solve the question here. Solution first. Solution first. Right, we are given a question here that is 2s minus 7y is equal to 3. Of course, from this equation here, we can't solve to get s and y because we are not given second equation. So we can only solve s and y if we are given second equation in terms of s and y. So at this point here, we can't express this from the equation. Okay, nothing else to be done in this equation. So we use the expression given to us here to evaluate if we can solve this particular question from the expression rather than from the equation. Okay, from the expression here, we are given 4 raised to the power of s over 2 raised to the power of 7y. Okay, now let's use from the expression here 4 raised to the power of s. We are given 4 raised to the power of s over 2 raised to the power of 7y. From the law of indices here, let me use indices. For example here, since we are dealing with powers, whenever we are solving with powers, at that point we apply law of indices. From the law of indices here, we all know that if I have this, that is, if I have 4 raised to the power of s is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2s. Please remember. So expressing this here in the base of 2, expressing this 4 here in the base of 2. Okay, why are we expressing 4 in the base of 2? Because this denominator is expressed in the base of 2. Please take note. So expressing this in the base of 2, have this will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 2s over 2 raised to the power of 7y. Also, from the law of indices, we all know that if I have a raised to the power of m over a raised to the power of n, from the law of division, this and this are of the same base. I'll take only one and solve on their powers. Okay, so I'll take only one base here. So I have raised to the power of m here. Please take note of this. Whenever you are taking any power from denominator to numerator, the sign of the power will change. The same thing here, whenever you are taking any power from numerator to denominator, the sign of the power will change. So taking this m here from denominator to numerator here, I will have minus n. So apply this law here. If you apply this law here, we'll have something like this. These two, they are of the same base. I'll take only one. So this will be 2s. Okay, taking 7 plus 7y from denominator to numerator, applying this law here to be minus 7y. But remember from the equation given to us here, recall that from the equation that 2s minus 7y is equal to 3, meaning that anywhere we see 2s minus 7y, we replace that as 3. So from this here, the power is expressed as 2s minus 7y. That is, from here, I will have this to be 3. So my answer here will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 3, and 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Please take note of that. Please don't mistake this. 2 raised to the power of 3 is not the same as 2 times 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 simply means 2, repeat 2 into 3 places. That is 2 times 2 times 2. And the answer will be 3. So this is my answer here, okay? All you have to do to get more of SAT questions is to hit the subscribe button, okay? Thank you.